Yo, what's up everybody? This is Alien Chaos and this is one more episode of making Hitech on Bitwig. In this episode, I'm going to build drums using only stock device from Bitwig. So, let's check out. Okay, here in my session, I already made kick and bass. If you don't check this tutorial, check the previous video, you're gonna see. And now I'm gonna start building drums. And to build drums, I'm going to use the new V9 heads. Okay, I'm gonna start V9 head closed, which makes a very nice sound. And then we can, it's not only a sample, you can change the sound of it. Okay, that's the best thing. So C3 note 116, then make a loop. Classic. But let's try and change the decay, make it more tight. And now you can change here these three dots, the three knobs. Here also there's the tuning. I'm gonna leave in the center. Let's check the volume on Vision. I see the waveform is constantly changing, so later on I'm gonna pass this to audio, okay? Now let's go to the open hi-hat. So V9 hat open. But to do this, I'm gonna make the notes shorter and remove this middle note here. Okay, now I'm going to make this middle note and create a loop. On hat, basically the same. Let's play with the decay. Nice, it's working nice. Let's make an EQ plus. Okay, I'm going to make a high pass filter or low cut, strong cut. And then I can also make the same for the close head. So I have a preset for this, EQ, creator, Alien Chaos, I already have. Now, super easy, and we already have some percussion going, okay? Let's use a crash now, V9 crash. Loud. Okay, let's drop the EQ creator in each. Okay, that's fine for me. Okay, I think it's okay for starting point. Now let's convert this to audio. Okay, so to convert this to audio, I going to bounce. On a bounce, it's already here. Okay, I'm gonna make the same for the hi-hat and the open hat. Okay, and now I can delete this one. Maybe I can make some colors. I think that's nice. Okay, so now I can have more control over the sound. For example, on this hi-hat, I'm gonna pick one hat that I like, and I can just repeat the same one. Okay, and now what I like to do also is Command J, which not gonna bounce any audio, but create a kind of folder. Okay, so I have this clip separately here inside this folder, which I think is super nice. It's very nice workflow for audio editing on Bitwig, because then, for example, I can still edit this inside, which I think is super nice. And let's go to the open hi-hat. So probably, for example, now it's repeating. I can only cut the hi-hat like this. Perfect. And also the crash, very short. Yeah, now it's sounding tight, the way I like it. And we like it, because yeah, Hitech sounds like this. And I'm gonna take off the scenes right now, and I want to stretch this loop. I think I could do this on here, but no. So I'm gonna make a 32 beats or 8-bar loop that's going to repeat the percussion and the crash. Okay, and for example, just for create a very short fill, let's say a variation at the end, I'm gonna mute all the sounds and leave only the kick. So now we can have a picture of the entire phrase. We use this phrase, this 32 beats or 8-bar loop, to compose our track. Is the essence or the fundamentals of creating any electronic dance music. Okay, hope you enjoy this tutorial, and see you in the next video that we're gonna do a lot of sound design. So leave a like, leave a comment what you think about this tutorial, and let's make noise, guys.